Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 6 raised to power x is equal to 84. Solution. Six raised to power x is equal to 84. Let us take the log on both sides. Log 6 raised to power s is equal to log 84. S log 6 is equal to log 84. That is, if you have log a raised to power n, this is equal to n log a. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 6. This divided by log 6. This divided by log 6. Log 6 cancel log 6. X is equal to log 84 divided by log 6. 84 is equal to 6 multiplied by 14. Then S is equal to log 6 multiplied by 14 divided by log 6. If you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S is equal to log 6 plus log 14 divided by log 6. S is equal to log 6 divided by log 6 plus log 14 divided by log 6. Log 6 cancel log 6, and this is 1 plus log 14 divided by log 6. Log 14 here can be written as log 2 multiplied by 7. Then S is equal to 1 plus log 2 multiplied by 7 divided by log 6. S is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 6 plus log 7 divided by log 6. Then if you have log a divided by log b, this is equal to log a base b. S is equal to, from here we have 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 7 base 6. This is the value of x. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 6 raised to power x is equal to 84. Then this is 6 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 6 plus log 7 base 6 must be equal to 84. Then if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. This can be written as 6 multiplied by 6 raised to power log 2 base 6 multiplied by 6 to the power of log 7 base 6 must be equal to 84. Then if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. This can be written as 6 multiplied by the whole of this is 2 multiplied by the whole of this is 7 must be equal to 84. Now here we have 6 multiplied by 2 times 7, that is 14, must be equal to 84. 6 multiplied by 14, that is 84, is equal to 84, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.